Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use two Pinterest apps on iPhone. First of all, you have to install Pinterest official app from App Store, and there will be your first Pinterest account. And to use a alternative or second Pinterest account, you will need to download a third-party application. To do that, go to your App Store. And all you have to do is just install this app and tap on open. Tap on this plus icon at the top right. And search here Pinterest. Once you get it, tap on Pinterest. Tap on done. You can give here your second Pinterest name. Tap on submit. And here the second Pinterest will be added. Now tap on Pinterest. And all you have to do is just log in into your second Pinterest account from here, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.